The liver is the largest internal organ in our body, and for a good reason. It has a multitude of biochemical functions to perform, from secreting bile to help digest fats, to breaking down some proteins and creating others from different components. More than 500 different metabolic activities are attributed to this mighty organ. We can benefit from food items that aid in the detoxification process of the liver, as well as those that help cleanse the liver of toxic deposits. Here are 6 foods that cleanse and detox the liver. 1. Apples. The fiber in apples binds to toxins in the digestive tract, carrying them off to the large bowels for elimination, without allowing them to undergo the normal digestive process. The polysaccharide pectin plays an important role in liver cleansing. Pectin binds with triglycerides and cholesterol and carries them out of the body without getting metabolized. This can reduce the load on the liver and protect against fatty liver disease. Elimination of heavy metals like lead, mercury, and strontium is another beneficial action of pectin. 2. Green tea. Green tea is considered the best detoxifying food, thanks to the polyphenols in the beverage. The catechins in green tea, epigallocatechin gallate in particular, have high antioxidant capacity. They eliminate excess fat from the liver to improve liver function. 3. Greens. The greatest advantage of leafy greens is that they can be eaten raw or with minimal cooking. This keeps the beneficial phytochemicals in the leaves intact and makes them available to the detoxification process. The chlorophyll in the greens can absorb many environmental toxins, especially pesticides and heavy metals in the stomach, and prevent their absorption into the blood. This keeps these toxins from reaching the liver. 4. Avocados. The avocado is a liver cleanser par excellence for a number of reasons. The healthy fats in avocado can lower low-density lipoproteins, or bad fat, while raising the good fat. Avocados contain antioxidant vitamins C and E to neutralize the highly reactive radicals that form during the metabolic processes taking place in the liver. 5. Garlic. Garlic is usually consumed in small quantities, mainly as a flavoring agent, but such small amounts seem to be sufficient to cleanse the liver. The sulfur compounds in garlic that give it the characteristic strong smell may make the bulb repulsive to some, but these compounds can activate the liver enzymes that flush out toxic metabolites from the liver and make way for their elimination from the body through urine. Bile flow impairment, or cholestasis, either due to obstruction in the bile duct or because of liver dysfunction, is one of the major causes of liver damage. Garlic increases bile production as well as its free flow from the liver. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. The active ingredient, curcumin, in turmeric is a well-known anti-inflammatory agent. Turmeric is traditionally used for liver detoxification since it increases bile production and bile flow into the duodenum. It can induce enzymes in the phase 2 detoxification process